Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Luevrianus Pasingki Sollu. My major nautical department level 2 at AIPI MAKASSAR. And this is my friend.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SAHRUL. My major nautical level 2. I am from AIPI MAKASSAR.
Well, hello there, SAHRUL. Long time no see.
Luffy! Hi! What an coincidence! Haven't seen you in ages. What are you doing here?
I just got a new job in the city, so I'm shopping for some clothes. Hey, what do you think about this shirt?
Well, I love so much blacks. See, I've got the same shirt.
You always have a good taste. What a small world.
Well, hello there, Luffy. Long time no see.
Hi, SAHRUL. What a coincidence. I haven't seen you in age. What are you doing?
I just got a new job in the city, so I'm shopping for some clothes. Hey, what do you think about the shop?
Well, you know how much I love black. See, I've got the same shirt too.
You always run a good chance. What a small world.